AeroGarden Bounty Basic with Heirloom Salad Greens Seed Kit. Our mission: to bring the magic of gardening in home all year round, and to inspire and enable people to enhance their food, their homes, and their lives through a simple and daily connection to what they grow. Smart, attractive, powerful. Upgraded with nearly 40 new features to make it even easier to grow the plants you love all year long, all while keeping the 9-pod configuration and 24 inches of growing height. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Exclusive. During this deal only, get your AeroGarden Bounty Basic with an Heirloom Salad Seed Pod Kit Pack in. Our fastest growing seed kits will have you harvesting fresh salads right from your kitchen counter in no time. No more trips to the grocery store needed. Number 2. Includes Heirloom Salad Seed Kit. 9-pod, 9 pre-seeded grow pods including black-seeded Simpson, 2, Deer Tongue, 1, Paris Island, 1, Marvel of 4 Seasons, 2, Rouge Driver, 2, and Red Sail, 1, plus a 3 ounces bottle of our patented, all-natural plant nutrients, enough for a full season of growth. Number 3. Always homegrown, fresh and safe. Up to 9 plants grow at a time, up to 24 inches tall with this indoor garden. Grows in the water right in your kitchen, no soil, no mess, made simple. Number 4. Grows 5x faster than soil. High performance, full spectrum 30-watt LED high efficiency to grow lights in your herb garden are tuned to the specific needs of plants to maximize photosynthesis, resulting in rapid, natural growth and abundant harvests. Number 5. Easy to use and grow. Control panel tells you when to add water, reminds you when to add plant food, included, and automatically turns lights on and off for your hydroponics growing system. Number 6. Take the guesswork out of growing. Your plants will continue to grow and mature, even when you're out of town for a few days. Just turn on vacation mode and come back to a healthy and thriving garden. Number 7. Smart gardening. The Bounty is Wi-Fi enabled and can be monitored and controlled from our AeroGarden app or your Amazon Echo device. Check your garden status or turn its lights on or off no matter where you are. Number 8. Bigger harvests. Fuller, healthier plants equal bigger yields of more flavorful produce. With room for up to 9 plants on the newly designed grow deck, you can grow even more variety with a sleek modern garden that looks great in any room. And so much more. Some common questions. Question number 1. I am confused about how the PODs work. When done with them, do I refill with my own seeds? Do I always have to buy seeds from the AeroGarden? Answer. Our seed pod kits are for one-time use only. We do have Grow Anything seed pod kits that you can use to plant your own seeds in. Question number 2. We love our system, but although the lettuce is big and beautiful, all varieties are very bitter. Are we doing something wrong? Answer. Our lettuce and salad green varieties can last up to 4 months before bolting or bitterness set in. Some may last up to 5 months or as little as 3 months. The average is about 4 months. Remember, all life cycle timelines are influenced by light wattage, photoperiod, and general care. Higher wattage leads to faster maturity. Question number 3. The garden gets to 58 degrees at night. During the day with the 15-hour light cycle on, it gets to 70 degrees. Are 58 degrees too cold? Answer. Temperature can affect plants in different ways. In general, plants in your AeroGarden will do well with ambient temperatures between 65 to 75 degrees. Salads grown outside are cool weather plants and grow best at temperatures around 68 to 72 degrees. Tomatoes and peppers, on the other hand, are warm weather plants and love warm temperatures, 76 degrees and above. While there are some natural differences between plant types, the AeroGarden helps create an environment for all of your plants that encourage optimal growth. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.